Ooh. Hey there, thank you so much for stopping by my YouTube channel. If you guys enjoyed the content you're about to watch today, please feel free to like, subscribe, drop me a follow, do whatever you guys need to do. I appreciate every single one of you. And if you want to catch me on any other platforms, all the links to everything is in the bio down below. Thank you again for stopping by. Enjoy the video. So this is the brass weight, the back piece anyways. Stab wires right now. So they've slimmed down the box. If you guys remember the other box, they've slimmed it down a little bit. All right, so we got some foam to protect the board. Let's move this. So we got the plate foam, or the foam that goes in between the plate and the PCB. The bottom piece foam. We have, so this is pretty cool because this wasn't in my version of it. All these layers of protection for the keyboard. Appreciate it, Gray Studios. You're one step above Herm Miller right now by putting anything in the package. Appreciate it. I do. We got the PCB. So we got to open this guy. So please test the PCB with tweezers before soldering, which we'll do. We shall do. It's gonna be a little slower of a stream today, guys. It's gonna hang out with you guys. And we got this in RoboCop. Okay. Yeah, they have some really cool packaging. So here it is. It's reflective because we need to take out the... It's not glossy or anything. We need to take off this plastic wrap. Very, very nice. I quite like this. Slow stream is the best stream. Appreciate it. Then we also got a toolkit, which... Oh, thank you, dude. Let's take this out here. All right. First things first. See what's in here. So Space65 extras have not run to my knowledge. An extra magnet, I think. Not sure. The screwdriver, which I don't plan on using, but it does come with a screwdriver. If you guys wanted to know. Awesome works, Gray Studios. Yeah. Oh, wait. Dude, it actually comes with a pair of tweezers. Of branded tweezers. Hold on. So this didn't come in the prototype. That's really cool. Again, we have our own, so we're not using this one here. That's pretty pog, yeah. I think these are just extra LEDs. The feet, so we'll leave this out over here, which again, I even have extras of those. Some extra screws, we'll leave out those just in case. And, okay, so this is for the diffuser for the top. So these we can put away, but that's really awesome. Oh, and these are O-rings. Oh, dude, they give you stab O-rings too. Look at that. You get stab O-rings in this too. Or stab gaskets rather, not O-rings. That's pretty awesome. We'll leave those out too. Your studios know us how to fill a box, right? Dude, it's nice. Makes me even more stoked. Honestly, I'm stoked to see what the Think 6.5 is going to come with too. That makes me excited. Okay, let's actually test the PCB. So let's open this guy up. Gamble all. I don't have a gambling thing, unfortunately. I'd get addicted too quick. All right, so this doesn't have like, oh, it does have a quick tear. Okay, perfect. So we got a purple PCB, the LEDs over here, LEDs over here. Let's plug it all in and just make sure it's all working. Let's actually go to our switch tester. Okay. And we are going to get going. LEDs are good. Perfect. All right, let's do some stabilizers. So I had a request, which I normally do anyways, but just to kind of let you guys too, to just make sure that the stab wires were flat and all that. So we did that. So these are tuned, in quotations, stabilizers.
so comfortable with you. I feel like I'll always love you.
We have lubed holy pandas. So these were lubed by the client. Feel pretty good. Thing about these carbon fiber plates are they are a little bit tough to get things in, so if I remember correctly, we had to do this very. We'll probably have to solder our corners in just like we normally do. Yeah. The reason why we have to solder them in, guys, because these are 3-pin. So we'll have to do the corners. And the reason why we'll have to do that is because it doesn't grab onto the PCB as nice. Okay, let's begin our soldering.
I'll always love you.
Beautiful little pyramids. Okay, we're gonna start putting in all the switches now. Oh, this doesn't really clip in that nice over here. The cutout's weird. That's awkward. Okay, I have to solder that in very carefully. So the cutout over here, guys, as you guys can see, the cutouts, it cuts out right where the switch would clip in. So it just kind of goes in. Like there's no clipping in of this. Again, because this is 3-pin, it doesn't stick in very nicely. So we'll solder that last. Okay. So we're done this. The foam is in between two. It's all nice and aligned. So the next part is let's put this back inside the case. We are still going to be putting this foam at the bottom here. First and foremost, though, we're going to be swapping out this. Now this, I believe, was magnetic. Yeah. Or just kind of slid in place here. A friction fit. So we're swapping the white one out for this brass one. And if I do remember now, it is what? This way? Oh no. We're just trying to align this back piece, but it is not aligning here. There we go. Perfecto. We're gonna screw this guy in and we're gonna be done this. This is click in. That is clean looking. I like that. I like the way that looks. What color was this Space65? It is the RoboCop one. I believe it's RoboCop. And then they ordered a brass badge. We'll wipe it all down and get some fingerprints on it now. First, let's plug her in. Ooh, very nice. Very, very nice. Let's make sure all the switches are working. No, I should have typed it. Well, we know it's working because I'm getting it. Ooh, this feels really good, actually. Like, very good. Very, very nice. So here we have it. Space65 Cyber Voyager with Holy Pandas. These are from Drop. Ooh, such a pretty set, man. Crimson Cadet is actually so beautiful. Ooh. Ooh. Do you guys hear that? Ooh, that's quite nice. This was such a cool board. For the price point, you literally could not go wrong. It's so nice, dude. And there we go. So the annoying on this is like very nice. Fingerprints inside. They're my literally immaculate. No weird scuffs, nothing like that. Very light board too. I quite like it. Ooh. Ooh. Are you guys ready for a quick little sound test? Ooh. I actually like this a lot. Amazing sound. I'm so very happy with this. This turned out so nice. Dude, this turned out great, man. This looks so good with this color. Dude, this is nice. Thank you guys for tuning in to my stream. I appreciate everyone here from Tejas. I appreciate everyone who subbed. I appreciate everyone who followed. I appreciate you guys just for being here watching. Thank you guys. This was really fun.